Welcome. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to change the download settings on Google Chrome, making your file management much more efficient. Let's dive right into the steps. First, open your Chrome browser. You can do this by clicking on the Chrome icon on your desktop or from your taskbar. Once you have it open, you're ready to proceed. Next, navigate to the page you want to download from. This could be any website where you plan to save files or documents. Now, look at the top right corner of your browser window. You'll see 3 vertical dots. This is the menu icon. Click on these dots to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can customize various aspects of your browsing experience. Once you're in the Settings page, find and click on Downloads in the left sidebar. This section is dedicated to managing all download-related settings. Here, you will see options that allow you to customize how Chrome handles downloads. You can choose a new default location for your downloads by clicking the Change button. A dialog box will appear, allowing you to select a folder of your choice for future downloads. If you prefer more control over where each file is saved, you can enable the option that says Ask where to save each file before downloading. This way, every time you download something, Chrome will prompt you to choose a location for that specific file. After making your changes, simply close the Settings tab. Your new preferences will be saved automatically, and you'll notice a smoother experience when managing your downloads moving forward. By following these steps, you'll have complete control over your download settings in Google Chrome. Whether you're organizing files or simply prefer a specific folder for downloads, these adjustments can significantly enhance your efficiency while browsing. Thank you for watching, and happy downloading.